In the metals quadrant, March silver hit another new record high, breaking above 101 and reaching 102.70, which was up 6.57%. The low today was 96.22, which was down 0.12%. Silver is now up 3 of the last 4 sessions, and today had its strongest up move on a percentage basis going back to January 12th, as it looks like we're closing up about 6.4%. Silver's ending the week up over 15.8%, which makes it the strongest week on a percentage basis since the 272.8% move higher began on April 7th of last year. Now, stronger manufacturing PMIs across multiple countries this morning boosted silver's industrial value. Starting with Germany, the manufacturing PMI came in higher than expected and higher than the previous month, although still in contraction territory. The same situation occurred for the wider Eurozone. Their manufacturing PMI also beat expectations and beat last month, but remained in contraction territory. And the UK manufacturing PMI came in at 51.6, higher than last month and above expectations, but moving further into expansion territory. Only the United States did not beat actual consensus expectations. It came out at 51.9, but that was still higher than last month's print slightly, which was 51.8. Stronger manufacturing, even among small and mid-sized businesses, should lift demand for silver, either through direct industrial consumption or increased use in electrical applications. Now, the dollar also dropped today against all the majors, mostly against the yen. Most in terms of percentage move against the yen, creating a tailwind for precious metals. The dollar in aggregate has now fallen in 4 of the last 5 sessions, and today was the worst of those drops on a percentage basis. In aggregate, the dollar has now hit its lowest point since October 1st of last year, and since silver is priced in dollars, that makes it cheaper for foreign buyers, which increases the demand for silver and causes the price to rise.